Today we're diving into SiteBuilder, an online platform designed to help users easily create websites without any coding knowledge. As soon as you visit the SiteBuilder homepage, you're greeted with a clean and simple layout that instantly signals user-friendliness. The platform is designed to cater to users of all levels, so whether you're creating your first site or you're more experienced, SiteBuilder aims to make the process as smooth as possible. Once you sign up, you're prompted to choose a template, and this is where SiteBuilder really shines. It offers a broad selection of professionally designed templates, which cover various niches like business, personal blogs, portfolios, and e-commerce. Choosing the right template for your website is simple, and each one is customizable. You can easily swap out images, edit text, and adjust the layout using the intuitive drag-and-drop interface. The drag-and-drop editor is one of SiteBuilder's strongest features. You don't need any coding experience to make your website look exactly how you want it to. Everything is straightforward, and all of the key options are easily accessible, which makes building and customizing a website quick and hassle-free. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. Another key aspect to highlight is SiteBuilder's mobile optimization. Each template is automatically responsive, meaning your site will look great on any device without additional adjustments. This is a huge benefit if you're aiming to reach a broad audience, as mobile-friendly websites are crucial in today's digital world. SiteBuilder also offers an integrated e-commerce feature for users looking to start an online store. You can easily add products, set up a payment gateway, and manage your store all within the platform. It's a great feature for small businesses or entrepreneurs who want to launch a store quickly. When it comes to pricing, SiteBuilder is competitive. The platform offers several plans, each catering to different needs. The basic plan is affordable for personal projects, while the premium plans unlock more advanced features like email marketing tools, priority support, and additional storage. I recommend reviewing the pricing structure in detail to see which plan fits your needs the best. Overall, SiteBuilder is a solid choice for those looking to create a website quickly and easily. Its drag-and-drop editor, responsive templates, and integrated e-commerce features make it suitable for a variety of website types. However, like any platform, it's important to assess your specific needs and see if SiteBuilder meets them. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.